Good evening, friends. I'm super excited to have a successful entrepreneur with me, whom I'm going to interview on a very, very interesting subject. He's a young management graduate who completed his post graduation diploma in management, having a real entrepreneurial spirit and passion for wellness from a very young age. He has a vision to create a community filled with health, happiness, and prosperity. He is presently and CEO of VRoots Wellness Solutions Private Limited and Ayush Genome Research Foundation. It is a groundbreaking startup in the Indian health and wellness ecosystem. So, friends, please help me welcome Mr. Aditya Narayan on the board.
Hello.
Yes.
Thank you for the wonderful introduction.
Yeah, thank you, Aditya. It's really a pleasure to have you in this interview session.
Same for me.
Yeah. So, to start with, please tell us something about your journey with this concept and with this company till date.
Yeah, see, basically, how VRoots emerged was actually sheerly out of something like after my graduation, or in fact after my post graduation, I was not getting any job. That was the major reason behind the starting of VRoots, because I sat for interviews in a couple of companies, like around five to six companies, but in the last and the second last rounds and all, I get disqualified. So after my post graduation, I was just sitting idle, thinking about what to do next, and that's how, in which way, I was connected with the space of wellness very actively from a very young age itself. So I was just thinking what to do in wellness. Okay, wellness is actually a buzzword that's running around. Everybody almost knows about wellness. There are a lot of people who are connected with certain fitness related things like gyms and all. There are people who take nutritional supplements, etc. There are people who follow certain diets like keto diet, paleo diet, vegan diet, etc. So I was just thinking about how I can make an entry into this wellness space, and that's how I decided to go ahead and procure some products, some nutritional supplements and cosmetic range products from any of the third-party manufacturers out there. And I thought of selling it through Amazon, Flipkart, and of course my own site. That was the initial plan. But then within a matter of a month, a lot of stories started to come in front of me, like how Steve Jobs built Apple, all those kinds of brand building stories started to come up in front of me on my screen. And that's when I was thinking about, okay, I should be actually building a brand rather than selling something on Amazon or Flipkart and making money. Yes, I may be able to make lakhs and crores. That's true, but still, I thought that this is not what I should be doing. I should be thinking about building a brand of my own, and that's how we started to explore about the latest trends in wellness. And that's when my dad also joined me in this journey, and together we started to search about the latest trends that's happening in wellness, and that's how we came up, or that's how we got attracted to the concept of genetics, or in fact genetic testing and all. But then that's not it. Genetic testing is not a big deal. That's what we can understand right now. After that, again, few months went by. We started to explore about the various genetic companies and what they do, what is this genetic testing all about, and things like that. But then ultimately what we found is that simply doing a genetic test is not a big deal. You don't get anything out of it. After all, what matters is about whether I'm getting a proper solution or not. And that's how we entered into, or in fact we ended up in a concept called personalized lifestyle modification. That is the key, or in fact that is the key towards the concept of living longer and staying younger that we talk about. If you look at India, the average life expectancy is touching 75 by the year 2025. And in that case, 1 out of 3 is going to live more than 100 years. We have been hearing this. But how these people are going to live more than 100 years is a big question. In a densely populated and diversified country like India, 1 out of 3 means we're talking about around 40 or 50 crore people who's going to live more than 100 years. But how are these people going to live 100 years? So that's where entire concept of personalization comes into the picture. Let it be the diet, let it be the exercise, let it be the sleep, let it be the supplements, whatever be it, from morning till the next morning, whatever you do, it has to be personalized. And the importance of personalization is not known much, and hence VRoots is actually in the initial stages, and also the market is completely virgin when it comes to personalized lifestyle modification. In fact, this is the way in which we started VRoots, and then the concept just got improvised from time to time, and now we believe that we are really strong and we can go ahead in a big note.
Wow, that's really amazing to know about the inception of VRoots. So, what are the vision and mission of VRoots, Aditya?
Basically, the vision of VRoots is definitely to help people to take charge of their body and mind so that they can live long and stay young. It's simple.
Great, great.
Basically, people don't know what is good for them, what is bad for them. I may be going on a keto diet, but I don't know whether that's going to harm me or not. There are a lot of real life instances that's happening around us. If we just open our eyes and look around us, we can see a lot of instances whereby people are completely into fitness. They're all wellness geeks, fitness freaks, but still they collapse on the badminton courts and the grounds over there, and while running marathons, or in fact while running on the treadmill, they collapse and they just pass away. This is something which is happening. So this is because they don't know what is good for them, what is bad for them. This is where VRoots is putting forward this vision to help people to take charge of themselves. Let it be the food, let it be the exercise, let it be the sleep, whatever be it. Come what may, they have to take charge of themselves, and then they can achieve this live long stay in. And when we come to the mission, or in fact how we do this, we have very scientific processes in place. And the main tool that we provide to our customers is a mobile app by the name Eplimo, Epigenetic Lifestyle Modification. It's a new term in India, but then uh, we are hoping that Eplimo is going to be something which is like a dalda. So that's what we envision. Or in fact, we always say that within the computer, we talk about Intel inside, right? So likewise, what VRoots envision is to is a world where people talk about Eplimo inside me. So that's how we actually picturize our vision, and to achieve this vision, we have this scientific tools in place, products in place, services in place, this highly advanced artificial intelligence powered mobile app in place. This is how we are going to help people to achieve this.
Wow, that's really, really so fabulous to know about it. So, it could be a little personal question, Aditya, if you allow me.
Yeah.
How do you find this responsibility on your shoulders, being the son of the legend Dr. Sajeev Nair, while you are the CEO of this company? CEO.
Yeah. So this is actually people actually tell me that you're really lucky that you're getting this kind of a mentorship, and you don't have to do much task.
Absolutely.
You don't have to do much task. All the thinkings and research part is being done by your dad. So the kind of pressure or the kind of workload that you would be having is quite, it should be less. You're really lucky. This is what people normally tell me. But the thing is that yes, the thinking stuff, the research part, everything is done, or in fact, the origination is definitely happening from his head. But then when it comes to the execution, or in fact the operational level of things, it's completely under me. So the responsibility is like always what was people's expectation about Abhishek Bachchan? It was about everybody knows that he is the son of Amitabh Bachchan.
Yes, absolutely.
So likewise, I know that I am the son of so and so person. Yes, and a lot of people are his followers. So the kind of expectation that people would be having upon me would be really big, and people would be definitely wanting to see me reach higher levels than my dad. So that's like a huge responsibility on top of my head. But I don't consider that as a burden. I consider that as a blessing, and I just take that blessing. I learn from it, and I just try to become better and better. And I just dream of a day when people recognize him as Aditya's dad. That's it.
Wow, wonderful. I really appreciate your humility to Aditya. And
Yeah.
I know that he's a very tough coach. And I know that you are not going to be an exception for him when you are a coachee for him.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So we are so keen to know that how Mr. Sunil Shetty, the heartthrob of Bollywood industry and a fitness icon, came with Virus on this mission.
Uh, Basically, we were actually thinking about presenting the concept to him and making at least making him a brand ambassador of the roots at the best possible tone. But then when we talked about the entire concept of Eplimo, everything, he was really excited to know more. And especially when we told him about the our vision of a superhuman movement that we are talking about, that's which caught him. That's something which actually caught his attention, and he said that I want. He actually was keen on knowing more possibility to associate, and that's how he actually came on board as an equity partner. And we all know that he is one of the fitness icons of Bollywood. Or in fact, when it comes to fitness, he is Sunil Shetty sir is someone who India looks upon. He is actually touching 60, but right now when it comes to his physique, he's just super cool. So and also he's a really smart investor when it comes to wellness space. So his support has been really great. He has been really open. People may say that it's really tough to reach these people. It's really tough to get certain things done by people like Sunil Shetty. But believe me, our journey with him for the past these many months had been really awesome. Whenever he has actually given us the permission to call him anytime of the day or night, and
Wow.
you can call me, you can talk to me unless and until I'm not in a shoot. I'm really open to talk to you. He's that kind of a person. If he is fascinated about a concept, especially in wellness, he's just too good. And our association with him is really great, and a lot more is yet to be seen by the market from V Roots and Sunil Shetty together.
Yeah, whenever I have watched this video, whenever he talks about Applimo and V Roots, I have seen that passion in his eyes or in his body language also.
Yeah,
And passion is something which is it is the outward reflection of inward conviction. What
correct.
I found when he speaks about Applimo and V Roots especially. So we know that there are a lot of direct selling company. V Roots is a direct selling company. So my question would be how Virus is different from other direct selling companies in India. We know the potential of direct selling industry in India. We know the condition of direct selling industry in India. So how Virus is different from other direct selling companies?
Yeah, see, the answer is quite simple to this question,
Yeah.
because basically I had been seeing my dad getting involved in this industry for the past 22 years. He got involved in this industry when I was just 3 years old. So I remember looking at a crowd of around 72,000 people at my age of 6.
Okay.
Because yeah, I was studying in first standard when a big convention was held out here in Cochin in Jawaharlal Nehru International Stadium, which was filled by around 70,000 people.
My gosh.
I remember that visual because at the end of the program, he took me, my sister, entire family to the stage, and I remember that scene of these people flashing torch lights and things like that. You can just imagine how a stadium would be looking with
I'm
70.
having those goosebumps,
Ah,
Aditya.
even
Just
when I say
visualizing.
that, even I'm having it. So because
Yeah.
if you ask me certain other instances which I remember at that point of time when I was 5 or 6 years old, I don't remember anything else, but this I do. So I know I understand the kind of potential that the industry, or in fact the direct selling market or the direct selling industry has. But then I was never attracted with the kind of conventional style of operations that is being happening in this industry. People running behind other people. When it comes to my category of people, I'm just 25 right now, and when you talk to the people who are coming in my age bracket of 25 to 30 or 35, most of the people get reluctant about this industry, basically because they feel that I have to run behind people and bring people into this concept, and I make this becomes like a people trading business.
Yes.
So no one is bothered about what the product is. There are a lot of people out there who say that direct selling is just about people. That the products has nothing, no role to play, and etc. But ultimately, if a company doesn't have a strong product and service, it will not sustain in the market for a long time.
Very true.
Merely people coming into the picture doesn't work out.
Yeah.
And this people running behind people is all about push. I'm having okay, suppose on a conventional direct selling market, I have an opportunity to display. I run behind 10 people. I see a crowd and I gush through the crowd and go to a person and show, and what do you say, show the plan. This is what people do over there. They just go to people and push them to take this opportunity.
Yeah.
But from that kind of a market, or from that kind of a style of operation, VRoots is actually focusing on converting push marketing to pull marketing. We are showcasing amazing products and services along with an opportunity. We are saying that we are here, and to all those who are passionate or in fact fascinated about the products and services that we are offering, we have a brilliant opportunity for you. You can come. This is what we are saying. So this is the major difference between VRoots as a direct selling company from that of all the existing direct selling companies right now in the market.
Wow, that's really so good to know. Okay, so how do you envision VRoots 5 years down the line contributing to the country as a whole?
Yeah. So 5 years, your question is actually completely matching with our vision, because by 2025, what VRoots envisions is to personalize the lifestyle of 10 million people in India. That is 1 crore people. And is it possible in a matter of next 4 years? Yes, it is possible, because just look at the statistics. India is having around 136 crore people,
Absolutely.
out of which around 48 crore belong to middle and upper middle class. Yeah. If you consider Eplimo as a super premium product, there is a crowd of 48 crore over here. And reaching out to what are we talking about? Just maybe 2% of them is not a big deal. 2 or 3% of them should not be a big deal. And this, in order for this to happen, we need this to be a movement. And we have named this movement as a superhuman movement. So in the next 5 years, the major contribution that we are going to do to India as a whole is definitely helping 10 million people to take charge of their body and mind, so that they can live long, stay young, perform at peak levels even in their 80s and 90s.
That's really so exciting to know that, and to understand that VRoots' vision and mission is like to make our country as a country of superhumans.
Yes, correct.
Yeah. So, Aditya, what would be your message to the young professional of our country on our superhuman movement? What we are, taking ahead.
See, when you look at the so-called youth of this country, I would say that anybody who is less than 60, I consider them as youth, because when people start to achieve this lifespan of around 100 years, anything like till around the age of 60 to 70 should be youth.
Yeah.
So basically, what I have to say is that people should not be waiting too much to get the best solution. If suppose we are putting forward a solution in terms of Eplimo to the youth over here, I believe that they should grab the opportunity, or in fact they should grab the concept of Eplimo, and they should do the necessary things right from today, so that they can actually achieve the superhuman journey.
Yeah.
Because we should not wait. People normally ask us, what is the suitable age for us to do Eplimo? This is a common question that comes to us. Earlier, the better is the answer. Anybody who is 60 or 70 also can do. We have got customers at the age of 83. 83-year-old people also have come to us as customers. That's because they believe that they have another maybe 15 to 20 years left. So that kind of people are there in huge numbers over here. When it comes to the youth, the kind of opportunity that they have right now to grab these kinds of solutions and live a healthy and happy life is big. The technology has grown so much. Artificial intelligence is taking over the entire human race, everything. So grab that opportunity, look for these kinds of solutions. And what I would say is that you have to take charge of yourself, and that's how you become a superhuman. And Each and every person, let it be a 10-year-old boy or girl, or let it be a 60 or 70-year-old person,
Yeah.
should aim to become a superhuman, and anybody can. Superhuman is not about flying. Superhuman is not about becoming a Spider-Man, Batman, or Superman, or Iron Man, or anything. Moreover, I would say that in India we can consider superhuman as Shaktiman, because Shaktiman is the only superhero who says that you can also become a Shaktiman.
Yeah. So true.
Superman doesn't say that you can also become a Superman. Spider-Man doesn't say that. Batman doesn't. Iron Man doesn't. But Shaktiman says that you can also become a Shaktiman. That's what superhuman is all about. Taking charge of yourself. And everybody should start their journey right now. You should not wait. Procrastination should be avoided. This is what I've got. This is the message that I've got for the youth.
Absolutely, absolutely, Aditya. Actually, with my own experience, I can say that when I went through this Applimo, I took Applimo for me, and I was so excited. I was so relaxed also because I was never knowing what is there inside my body,
Correct.
and now I know everything about it. Like I've been in my exercise regime. I've been very, very, I've been the follower of cardio exercises and my diets also. I'm little health conscious person. So what I found, there are certain recommendations which I was doing totally opposite to what I am supposed to do. Through Applimo, I could come to know about that.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, so I got the clarity about it and about my fitness, about my again as Sajeev sir says that living long, dying short. So how to live for 100 years, staying active and healthy,
Yeah.
energized.
Yeah.
So, Aditya, it was really a great time with you. Thank you
Same.
so much for sparing your precious time with us. And I could see that from your communication, from your body language, I could see that passion. Means
Yeah.
it said that living the passion. I could see that living the passion. So it
Yeah.
was a great time with you. Thank you
Thank you.
so very thank you so very much. And friends, I believe that you enjoyed this interview with Mr. Aditya. As you all know, that we are on a big mission and building a superhuman community. And I invite you all to become a part of it and strengthen our country as a young nation, as the
Yeah.
nation of healthy people, healthy, happy, and prosperous people. So this is a great opportunity. This is a great concept. What we are having right now in our hands. So I hope that if you have liked this interview, and definitely it was a very interesting discussion, please share your comments in the comment box and please share it with others also. Please share it and thank you very much all. Thank you, Adit. Thank you very much. It was a great
Thank you
time
so much.
having. Yeah,
Thank
thank you
you.
so much.
Thank you so much.